Well, detention time today. It's kind of a work day today, so gotta go. Well, deciding to go to the library. Yeah, not raining today. Humidity seems like it's a little down, which is a little interesting. Maybe it'll get worse as we go. But we're going to the Shinjo Library today. Well, we made it to the library. Gotta make sure. Hey, sorry. Gotta make sure we put our bikes in the bike area. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna put it in this right here. Okay. Put that there. This here. There's a whole process to this. No? That's not how you do it. There we go. We do the kickstand, we lock it in, and then you push this guy, which locks your bike. Take that out. Take that out. So that locks your bike, your tire. You do your little kickstand. And this guy's ready to go into the library.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
just finished up my library session. Got some work done. I feel productive today. I think I should do that a little bit more often. Come to the library maybe for a couple hours. I'm starving though. Trying to get some food. Maybe go back home, or I might go to McDonald's today. I don't know. I'm trying to actually might go to this Indian spot. So we'll see. This guy's going to McDonald's. We're going in, but we're gonna leave the bike there. I got all my valuables. Probably could leave them in there too, and then when it gets stolen. But oh yeah, McDonald's day today. Here we go. Well, I managed to order McDonald's. I could have got a burger. I have the samurai burger, which is like a red garlic, spicy teriyaki type of hamburger. But for me, this time, and their portions are getting bigger, which I love. But this time, what I got was not a filet-o-fish, but a shrimp one. A shrimp filet-o-fish, or a fish filet-o-shrimp. I guess that's what you call it. I don't know. But let's try it. I'm super excited to try this. Talk about an ultimate reset. Bam. Some mayonnaise. It looks like a filet-o-fish, but it's supposed to be shrimp inside. I don't know if it's focusing on it or whatnot. I'm gonna take another bite. I should have to take another bite. Okay. Okay. Not crazy. Not like bomb.com. I don't think it beats the filet-o-fish. But it's a nice option. Got my melon soda. Kind of solo today. Had to get some things done in the library. And by the way, I love melon soda. Melon soda floats. Now that's bomb.com. Alright, let's see if the bike is still there. Hopefully it's still there. Let me see. So, I don't think I rated the sandwich, but I got one of the shrimp filet-o-fishes type of things. I would definitely get the filet-o-fish over that shrimp one. Didn't have too much flavor to it. And the texture was, it was, I mean, nothing crazy, but This wasn't really that flavorful. I would say maybe a 5 out of 10. So I definitely passed on the shrimp one. Don't worry about it. Get the filet fish. That's the classic. French fries were bomb.com like always. Next time I'm probably going to try one of the samurai ones. But I wanted to kind of... I mean, I could have ordered the whole menu. But I know we're going to be eating dinner soon. Well, in the next couple hours. But I'm going to head on home. I might even go out to the baseball field for the high school today. We'll see, though. Kind of feel like just hanging out. It's a beautiful day. It's cloudy, but there's a nice breeze and it's not scorching hot. But check out this key. This is how you open the lock, and it has a little, what's that guy's name? I don't know. I'm sure she's had this forever. But closer look. You just go ahead and put this guy in there and you go plop. Ow. And then you just leave it in there. And then we're ready to go. Well, that concludes the video. I hope you guys are liking all the videos. If you are, again, please subscribe. Hit the like button, notification bell, so you don't miss a video. See you on our next adventure.